Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to unblock your kitchen sink in 2025. Whether it's clogged with food scraps, grease, or hair, a blocked sink can turn your kitchen into a nightmare. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, effective steps that anyone can follow at home. Plus, with some modern tweaks for 2025, like eco-friendly tools, you'll be fixing this in no time. First things first, safety is key. Put on some rubber gloves and make sure the water is turned off to avoid any splashes or messes. Let's start with the easiest method: plunging. Grab a good old plunger, make sure it's the cup kind for sinks, and place it over the drain. Pump it up and down vigorously for about 30 seconds. This creates pressure to dislodge the blockage. If that doesn't work, try the baking soda and vinegar hack. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Let it fizz and bubble for 5 to 10 minutes. This natural reaction can break down gunk without harsh chemicals. After that, flush it with hot water. Still clogged? Time for a drain snake or wire hanger. Straighten out a wire hanger and create a small hook at one end. Insert it into the drain and gently twist and pull to remove any debris. Be careful not to push it further down. If none of these work, it might be a deeper issue, like a pipe problem, so call a professional plumber to avoid making it worse. Remember, in 2025, many areas have eco-friendly drain cleaners, so check those out for a greener option. There you have it, folks. With these steps, your kitchen sink should be flowing freely again. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.